Serendipity plays a role in medical discovery more often than you may think. Research papers can often downplay this fact, since scientists usually try to present their findings as a meticulous and pre-planned process. However, several researchers have made some of their greatest discoveries accidentally, be it while searching for something else, following a false hypothesis, or simply being in the right place at the right time. Of course, this doesn't take away from the brilliance of the discovery or the credibility of the researcher. On the contrary, it takes keen perception and a creative mind to see the importance in flukes that may have otherwise been disregarded. As Louis Pasteur once said, "Chance favors only the prepared mind." Hello everyone, I'm the Meducator, and this is Breakthrough Flukes, a series which chronicles important medical breakthroughs discovered thanks to a little bit of good fortune. This week, we'll be talking about Harold Varmus and J. Michael Bishop, who discovered the mechanism by which cells become cancerous. In 1970, Varmus was a postdoctoral fellow conducting research with Bishop, a biologist and virologist at University of California, San Francisco. The two researchers were examining the Rose sarcoma virus, a retrovirus that was shown to induce muscle tumors in chickens. At the time, the mechanism by which cells became cancerous was still an active area of research. It was known, however, that the Rose sarcoma virus replicated by implanting its genetic material into the host cell. Varmus and Bishop decided to start there and began scouring the virus's genome. By 1975, they made a surprising discovery. The virus carried a gene which sparked the malignant growth. However, this gene did not play a role in the virus's replication and was also present in the DNA of uninfected chickens. Varmus and Bishop concluded that the gene was not an inherent part of the virus, but rather something that originated in the host organism's genome. To their surprise, it was not exclusive to chickens either. The gene began turning up in the DNA of geese, ducks, turkeys, emus, mice, cows, rabbits, fish, and even humans. Unbeknownst to them at the time, this little packet of DNA would win Varmus and Bishop the Nobel Prize in 1989. What these researchers stumbled upon was the first ever oncogene empirically discovered. For those unfamiliar, oncogenes are mutated variants of a normal gene that trigger cancerous growth, often due to overexpression. They usually start out as genes that regulate cell development or growth. At some point during its evolutionary development, the Rose sarcoma virus likely picked up an oncogene from its host due to an error in transcription. Thanks to this accident of nature, Varmus and Bishop were able to discover a key genetic factor which ultimately set a milestone in cancer research. If you would like to read about this week's episode in more detail, or just want to learn about other breakthrough flukes, you should check out the book Happy Accidents by Morton A. Meyers. It's the resource where our series gets all of its stories, and honestly, it is a great read. I would highly recommend it. Until next time, I am the Meducator, and this is Breakthrough Flukes. Catch you guys later.